No, you didn't just crack that shit on your knee.
I told y'all about my first time going to jail already. She haven't. Yeah, cause Miss Mamas was just in jail like a few days ago, y'all. Criminal. Be good, kids. Don't go to jail. Don't be like her.
Don't be like us.
Well, don't be like me too, because y'all already know. I'm good now. I don't go to jail no more. Look, I stay.
Okay, well, bitch, I just started going to jail.
I stay away from that lifestyle.
Jail? You think I don't?
What happened?
What how the niggas speak? I'm still fighting that case, so I can't talk about it.
Girl.
Hell no. I'll tell y'all after.
After what?
After I don't go to jail. After I don't go to jail.
Girl, the police ain't watching.
You don't know that. They watching everything. I ain't trying to go to jail. I ain't do it. I'm not posing for the motherfucking thumbnail. So I'm not posing for the motherfucking thumbnail, bitch.
Girl, come on. Cause you gonna blow me. Hurry up for that shit drippity drop. Hold your bag up.
Wow.
Hey gang, shit. Hey gang, long time no chats. Long time no chat. I thought I left my water upstairs. So, anyways, y'all, I know I say this every YouTube video, G, but I swear to God, y'all, I swear to God, I'm finna start being more active on here, like for real, like 2 videos a week. I've been talking, we got like a little Discord group with me and all my supporters. Why do it look so dark? But yeah, me and my supporters, we got like a little Discord group, and a group chat and shit, and they be helping me like with ideas and, you know, stuff for like content and shit like that. So if you want to join the Discord group chat, the link is on my TikTok bio, on my link tree. Or you could go to my Instagram, click the link in the bio, and then you can just join or whatever. But yeah, we be in that singing Kumbaya, all that good shit. But yeah, so what we doing today? We finna have a seafood mukbang. Who they call fucked up? We finna have a seafood mukbang. I'm finna go to my sister's house. Damn, I gotta go get my ring lights. I'm glad I remember before I fucking left. I'm really glad I remember, because I was gonna be fucking mad. Bitch, I done forgot all about y'all. My bad. I'm so busy on social media talking shit, being a troll. Y'all heard my breaks? Every time life start going good, your car start fucking up. I don't even remember where she live at. It's one of these buildings though. I think it's this one. And she better not have all her extra little posses here. Like I said, I better be able to park in here. Authorized parking only. Yeah. Let my shit get towed. Me and my sister will be boxing along with these people at this apartment complex. So ghetto. Why is it so dark? Hey gang, I'm back and I'm at my sister's house. Not too much. Y'all wanna see my sister's apartment? It ain't much. Don't do too much. She just moved in 2 months ago. So this the cloud wall. And then we got the kitchen where my eggs is boiling at. I don't know how to. Yeah. And then the bathroom and the bedroom. It's a little junky. We ain't gonna talk about that though. What's this?
Well, bitch got toilet paper dishwasher.
Oh girl, I thought it was gonna be somebody in here. I didn't know you had another bedroom.
Yeah.
Gonna be my room. I know that motherfucker is like 3x4.
No.
Y'all, she ain't got no table, so we gonna be on the floor. But it's okay. Y'all gonna bear with us, and y'all still gonna watch it, and it's still gonna be good. But we ain't finna be sitting over here. We finna sit over there. It's a better scenery.
I bet that's scenery.
But yeah, you wanna roll up?
No. I don't know how to roll it.
Girl, you ain't got no switches?
Mm-mm.
Bitches ain't good for shit.
At all.
A 2-on-2, he was trying to fight her nigga, her brother.
Oh, I'm running low on weed. Hey y'all, we go. Okay, y'all, we back. And I got my motherfucking crab legs. I got some. Y'all already know it.
This don't look like no pound.
You know, I bought my own eggs, bitch. You better improvise. You better improvise. Yeah. And she got some nasty ass shrimp and shit. Yeah. Somebody said craziest story we wouldn't believe. That's 100% true.
I ain't telling my business.
Girl.
Hell no.
Something that's not like that personal.
But it's not a crazy story if it's not personal.
Okay, you could tell us something. You act like they gonna run and tell somebody. It's just a YouTube video.
Right, bitch.
People
They
gonna
don't
forget
gotta
it in
tell.
a week.
Somebody they gonna forget it in a week. You go to hell.
This tastes a little funny.
Just don't do that.
It do. I still gotta crack my eggs. They hot.
I'm fucking screaming.
I hate when I peel eggs.
Oh, cause you're childish as fuck. I know you didn't just crack that shit on your knee.
I ain't got nothing else.
Oh shit, I'm fucking screaming. You look so.
But first of all, this my sister, Naja.
Her.
It's my little sister though, and I know y'all always be like, but I thought you was the youngest sibling and woo 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 woo. So you gonna tell them how you my sister?
Bitch, you stop telling the whole world I'm adopted. That's not cute.
Girl, that's not the whole world. This is my people's.
Yes, I'm adopted. Yes, my real mama still loves me.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Basically, well, you know what? I don't even feel like explaining that because I'm high right now. But,
How you been cracking motherfucking crab legs?
huh? With my teeth. I got a
You
little
strong mouth
cracker
up.
thing at home, but I forgot to bring it.
That's okay.
I told y'all about my first time going to jail already. She haven't. Yeah, cause Miss Mamas was just in jail like a few days ago, y'all. Criminal.
First
Be
of all,
good, kids. Don't go to jail. Don't be like her.
don't be like us.
But don't be like me too, because y'all already
But
know.
what?
I'm good now. I don't go to jail no more. Look, I stay.
Okay, well, bitch,
I
I just started going to jail.
I stay away from that lifestyle.
Jail, you think I don't?
What happened?
That's up. What how the niggas be? I'm still fighting that case, so I can't talk about it.
Girl.
Hell no. I'll tell y'all after.
After what?
After I don't go to jail. After I don't go
Girl, the
back to
police
jail.
ain't watching.
You don't know that. They watch everything. I ain't trying to go to jail. I ain't do it.
You could say allegedly.
You right. I allegedly was a part of a hit and run.
But she ain't do it.
What he said.
But they came, and what happened? They came the other day and locked her ass up. Because somebody said she did do it.
Yeah, because the person who called was driving.
Wait, you is taking that shit on trial? That's what they're doing, right?
It's not a trial. It's a damn misdemeanor case. I just still got to go back to court for it and shit to see what they're going to do.
Oh.
But the person who called was driving, y'all. He told on me. So, watch y'all homies.
So one of y'all little friends, I had seen his ass at the at some gas station the other day. So like, no, I went out there probably like 2 weeks ago. His ass was like, he be with you and Chichi and me. And he be with, yeah, you and Chichi and Kiki and me. He was saying y'all was his homies. He had asked me.
He lying.
He asked me. He had asked me was I that boy from TikTok.
I'm screaming. Well, he was a fan just trying to get close to me.
Because why is this crab leg missing a whole clutch?
It was disabled. He was in the trenches fighting for his life.
They done gave me a disabled motherfucker.
That should have been discounted.
Your shit damn near almost gone.
You in my business? Why you still in my business? My shit hot.
I told you, slow down.
I told you, I was hungry.
That said, worst whipping. My worst whipping growing up, I'm kind of remember.
I ain't be whooped as a child.
Girl, you didn't?
No.
So you ain't never got no whooping?
After I left y'all. Because, bitch, you was a professional.
Stop playing with him.
I'm screaming.
Yeah.
Nah, but after I left y'all,
Well, that's a nice thing.
and I went back with my mama, I ain't get my ass beat. Should have been, but didn't. Probably that's what's probably what my fucking problem is. I ain't getting enough ass whipping. Moral of the story, y'all beach kids.
Right, let me get a little thumbnail real quick.
Try not posing for the motherfucking thing. So I'm not posing for the motherfucking thumbnail, bitch.
Girl, come on. Cause you gonna blow me. Hurry up for this shit drippity drop. Hold your bag up.
Why? Oh, you still dumb it. And my
Who
dumb
the
ass
fuck
still
is
gonna
texting me?
Steady calling my phone. So you for the soul.
And that shit just
I don't know my
keep beeping.
Okay, boy. You ain't have to do all that.
You are over here. I told y'all about the first time I did it. It was at a motherfucking hotel when I lost my virginity. We was at a motherfucking hotel party. And me and the girl fucked in the fucking
Bathroom in the tub.
And her pussy was stinking.
Mm-hmm.
And the whole
And he fucked in
hotel was flaming her
just
ass.
like a nigga. Talking about the whole hotel was flaming my ass. That's fucked up.
What about you?
Well, when I lost my virginity?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it was a cold and rainy motherfucking
Oh, and
night.
I think I was 13, 14
You was
too.
12, bitch.
I was 12.
You was 12.
No. Okay. Talking about it. I'm trying to up the age.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to up the year. And you say, what now? It was a cold, rainy night. You say it was a cold, rainy, stormy night, huh?
Okay.
All these raindrops pouring down my
And bitch, I was
window.
14. I was a little diddly bop. Kids don't be like me. But, I was drunk, right? It was my boy best friend's birthday, right? And we was all kicking it and shit like we always do. Walk the bench.
Let's speak up.
Let's speak up. Shut up. We was all kicking it and shit, and I mean, went upstairs and I lost my virginity to my best friend.
Always the best friend, so niggas.
I got a best friend.
You
problem.
hear it now. That boy best friend. You be fucking. You be fucking. I don't be fucking my best friend.
Listen here. You got your way of living.
Yeah, I have fucked one of my best friends. Well, she ain't my best friend no more. But
She was when you fucked. I know who you talking about.
oh damn, I should have been putting my shields in here. I'm just throwing them back.
Cause where's my friend at?
Yeah.
I'm fucking screaming.
I should have asked Shayla to do it with us too. She be fucking them crab legs up. For real.
I'm screaming.
Right, if you don't be playing no game, she just could work. Like seriously.
Oh shit.
I be having to tell her like, girl, slow
Slow
down.
Oh shit. Dip it, bitch. Dip it. Dip it. Okay, you.
See, I ain't never had this many this perfect before.
Is this your comeback from them eggs? The Lord knows.
I had a whole moment. You know it's good when you get the dancing.
No, for real.
Baby, this shit is fire. I ain't had no crab legs in a long time.
I be having to like really have a taste for them bitches.
Yeah. And I had to taste one. That's why I gotta eat them like every once in a while. Had me a nice little seafood bowl. Said our favorite memories as kids. We ain't grow up together as kids really.
Not for real. Our memories would basically be like separate.
My first fight, I think I kind of remember my first fight. I think it was, I'm pretty sure it was my sister friend, little brother. And we fought like on the corner of my house. I barely even remember that fight. I was like 7, 8, some shit. I probably got beat up. All I remember, me and him on him up, that was just loud as hell. All I remember is me and him on the ground in the grass fighting, and our sister standing right there.
I'm screaming. Who was it?
Hermina.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
When was your first fight?
I got jumped on. Like my first real. Ooh, boy, tell him shut up. My first real fight. Yeah. I got
Is you
jumped
gonna tell
on.
the story?
I'm trying to remember.
Cause I got a story after that.
I'm talking about I got a story after that.
Cause I got jumped on. My last time I got jumped on twice.
I think that was my only time getting jumped on. But we had got jumped on by their brothers, like not even the hoes that we was fighting. They brought their brothers up there. Their brothers was knocking hoes out. We just so happened to be the hoes that they was knocking out them. I mean, he knocked me out, but definitely got hit in my shit.
Wait, it was you and multiple people?
Yeah, it was me and 2 other people. Yep. I still want to know what's going on with this Croc situation.
Well, girl, not too fucking much. Not too fucking much. My shit, I always rock my shit like that. 2 different colors. And if a bitch you got a problem, what about it?
And what about it? And what about it? Get into it. I don't know if they fight. They ain't fucking fight because I still didn't.
Y'all, these bitches was just on live arguing. These hoes ain't finna fight. That hoe hiding out. She ducking and dodging.
Bobbing and weaving, ducking and dodging. Nasty, that shit. Okay, strong, my fast little boy.
Didn't you have to go to alternative?
Mm-hmm.
So tell the people why you got expelled from school.
I didn't. Well,
She got expelled from school too, y'all. Yes, the fuck she did. Don't let her let it out. Yes, she did.
you just can't never.
Let's go. The people wants to hear.
Well, I really didn't do nothing. If you fucking ask me, but nobody asked me, I guess so. But basically, they just kicked me out because they said I was a menace, which I didn't even be doing shit. I don't know where the fuck they get that from. I guess I was quote unquote bullying people, but I wasn't bullying no damn body. Them girls, hoes be playing tough, and they don't be like that for real. Bruh. So yeah, that's pretty much the only reason why. I can't remember exactly what situation happened leading up to that, but it was just like a whole bunch of other shit. They was just tired of my ass after a while.
I thought it was because you weren't doing your work.
Oh no. I wasn't doing that either though.
Right. And that was probably one of the reasons too.
Ah! I wasn't failing no class though. I wasn't, bitch. These is passing, bitch. They
Barely.
shouldn't- Okay, bitch, they shouldn't have set the fucking limit so low.
I asked you to come home from school every motherfucking day. Did you do your homework? Hell no, this bitch running right out the motherfucking door. Ain't been in the house for 5 minutes.
Okay, but I did my work at school while I was there. I just wasn't doing no homework.
Girl, that's what everybody said. You just said you wasn't doing your schoolwork. Don't try to back. Damn, I ate all my crab legs?
Well, bitch.
I'm digging. What? They scaring me.
I told you that wasn't no fucking pound. Cause somebody fucking lying.
I don't never eat a whole clutch. I must have been real hungry.
That's what I'm saying. Like when I be getting my pound of shrimp, I always be having some for later. I mean, I do still have some for later, but
I wish I knew Spanish.
learn it, bitch.
Teach me.
Do
It's
I look like
hard,
I
son.
blow Espanol,
I
bitch?
barely even know motherfucking English.
No, for real, cause I be saying shit all the fuck wrong.
I know I seen one shit. Somebody said first time getting high. My first time I got high was with my cousin Gabriel and my brother Herman and this white boy Bradley. We was at this white boy Bradley grandma crib or whatever, and
I put that shit on my pen.
his sister, his older sister, and like I think a couple of her friends or some shit, they was all in the room smoking and shit. And shit, we all went in there, and I think I hit the blunt like what, a couple times. I don't know. It was like my first time smoking, and shit, that was really it. I was high. When we was walking home, shit, I kind of felt like I was flying. For real.
I'm screaming.
And then the second time was with my brother again at the park. And we came home. I think my sister figured out I was high, cause she had asked my brother, cause I kept laughing. That shit was hilarious.
Talking about that shit was hilarious.
I was happy to know. What about you, Miss Delinquent?
Bitch, I'm not no fucking delinquent. My first time getting high. That just felt good.
What's that? Is that a mini refrigerator?
Mm-hmm.
Girl, you don't use that.
I don't. I just got it yesterday.
Oh.
Look at you.
I need me one of that. How much you pay for it? Did these bitches give me one potato? Did I eat 2 potatoes? Oh, that's why I feel so short, because every time I usually go, I order extra potatoes. And extra eggs. And I ate all my eggs.
I mean, you had basically started to say that when you put your order in, but you like, whatever. Damn, bitch, it just sounded like you cracked all your knuckles.
One time we came here. Well, me and Shayla went here. This fucking corn was so fucking hard, they blew me. I ain't eat that for like almost a year.
I'm screaming. It took me a long time to start eating from their ass, too. Fucking around with stink ass. She was getting this shit faithfully, so I'm just like, I had to see what it was to it.
Yeah, she stayed with her some taste.
Mm-hmm. Her and Katrina.
Did you tell us your first time getting high?
Oh. I was with this girl named Haley.
And we ain't talking about the crack. You didn't get on that neck. No, I was
Oh, wait a minute. So I was with this girl Haley. She had, all I remember, she had us smoking out of some, we smoked a joint. And it was in some fucking strawberry flavored rolling papers.
Ooh. Oh, it's on clear rolling papers. I want to try them. Side note.
Come on, sorry. But yes, the fucking rolling papers tasted like fucking strawberries, bitch. I was astounded. So this little bitch, she had already been smoking, like, for a little minute before then. So I'm hitting the weed. She teaching me how to like inhale it and shit, and I'm coughing and shit, and then so I'm high, right? All I remember is like I felt like the sun was so fucking bright. Like the sun was so bright.
Yeah.
We walked to the grocery store. We bought a dozen of donuts. Ate 2 donuts. Then the rest of them started melting. And we started throwing them at each other.
Oh, my bad.
We had a donut fight. It was pretty lit. No cap.
I feel like the high you be having when you first started smoking that shit, you'll never have that again. Unless you like stop smoking and start that smoking again. But that first time high be the best fucking feeling. And you'll never have that again.
Yeah, no. I'm finna stop smoking.
I used to stop smoking.
Twin, bitch,
Soon.
Bubba.
Weird motherfucking soon.
Here she go.
Who's that?
Trina.
I'm in the store. I don't know what you kind of got in mind.
That's my other sister on the phone.
We're making a YouTube video.
She want her to go to Memphis so bad. See, I buy you an outfit at the store.
I mean, y'all don't gotta go if y'all
Girl,
Curtis said he not going.
If y'all not going, I'm just gonna give me a sweet down now. So if don't nobody go, that's fine with me.
Bitch, you're buying my clothes. I'm going. I gotta wake up in the morning.
they
gonna let me in the clubs with a paper ID?
Huh?
They gonna let me in the clubs with a paper ID?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta go get my shit in the morning. Bitch, step away from the fucking leopard print.
Oh, here you go.
Your potato?
Yeah.
You sick bitch.
I knew I only ate one fucking potato.
Tasty crab.
Yeah. This girl talking about she ain't going tomorrow, so I might get on the road tomorrow morning.
Who-
And just not go to school.
Who
You
said
seen
they
what's
not
the name
going?
them arguing on live?
It's just so pretty.
Who said they not going?
This girl named Tiana. This dress, I love this dress.
Katrina, no.
For me,
Okay.
Girl, these bitches been on the motherfucking phone for 30 fucking minutes. I done almost fell asleep.
Don't do too much.
I don't even remember what the fuck I was talking about. I done laid down, got comfortable. I felt like I want to go to Starbucks and go get me a little drinky drink. I done spent $30 fucking on some motherfucking seafood that was going in 5 minutes. Them bitches jipped me. I don't know. I don't know if I like that video. I probably don't post it. But anyways, I'm finna to go to Starbucks. Can I get a grande ice white chocolate mocha with light ice? I believe that this song came out so fucking long ago and I'm just now discovering it. And I love it.